Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. How are you today? Okay, thank you for asking me. I'm fine too, and I'm good. Because this is our first meeting, let me introduce my name first. My name is Rana Sabil Alfarisi. You can call me Miss Sabil. And before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Pray begin. Okay, pray never finish. And after that, I will check your attendance first. If I mention your name, please raise your hand and answer present, miss. Okay? Aulia Rista, Faridatul Laila. Okay, everyone is here. It's good. And the next, I want to ask you something before we start our lesson today. My question is, have you ever stayed in the hotel with your family or your friends, or you holiday alone or something? Okay, good. Everyone say I have miss. And when you are arrived at the hotel, who is the first person you meet in the hotel? Okay, security or a receptionist? Okay, good. Okay, thank you. Very good answer. Today, we will learn how to serve guests at a receptionist hotel. And after this lesson, you will able to explain the role of the receptionist. The second is you can use a simple dialogue or a simple English expression to serve guests, and you can practice a short conversation at the hotel front desk. Okay, we'll continue to the material. Explain is the definition and role of the receptionist. Jadi sebelum kita mengetahui lebih dalam apa itu resepsionis atau bagaimana cara pelayanannya dan lain sebagainya, kita harus mengetahui dulu definisi itu sendiri. Apa sih resepsionis gitu? Apa sih pelayanan? A receptionist is a front office employee who greets guests, provides information, and assists the guests' needs during their stay at the hotel. The main role of a receptionist, the first is greet guests politely and warmly. The key answer is politely and warmly. Okay, the next is provide information about the hotel. Jadi memberikan sebagai station atau sebagai tempat yang memberikan informasi terkait hotel itu sendiri gitu. Jadi bukan cuma orang-orang yang ingin menginap di hotel tersebut, tapi sebagai resepsionis juga bisa memberikan informasi lebih lanjut apa saja terkait dengan hotel itu sendiri. The third point is assist guests with their needs. And the last is create a good first impression. Because the receptionist is the first person you meet in the hotel. Okay, that's the key. A receptionist is the first person guests meet in the hotel. The simple explanation you can remember like this. Okay, the next is qualities a receptionist must have. Jadi sebagai resepsionis tuh memiliki sikap juga yang harus dimiliki, makanya di sini dijelaskan must have. The first is friendly atau ramah. Kita sebagai ketika nanti kalian sebagai resepsionis hotel, kalian harus memiliki sifat yang ramah gitu. Karena kalian adalah orang pertama yang akan ditemui para tamu, dan juga kalian juga harus bersikap polite or sopan, patient, sabar, karena mungkin ketika menjadi resepsionis akan menemui berbagai macam sifat dan karakter para tamu. Maka dari itu mesti memiliki sifat yang patient. Patient dalam bahasa Indonesia itu sabar. Yang keempat adalah confident, percaya diri, dan juga responsible, bertanggung jawab gitu. Jadi, balik lagi ke poin sebelumnya yang terkait tentang informasi, kita harus bisa bertanggung jawab dengan informasi yang akan kita sampaikan nanti. Seperti itu. Any question? Okay, good. Thank you. Everyone is understand. I will continue my explanation. We will need to remember the vocabularies. The first is receptionist atau petugas resepsionis, ada guest atau tamu, ada reservation atau reservasi, check in, check out, room key, kunci kamar, lobby, security, reservation form atau formulir pemesanan, dan juga front desk. Front desk itu meja resepsionis gitu. Jadi ketika pertama kali datang ke sebuah hotel, sudah pasti akan ada yang namanya front desk, yaitu meja resepsionis. Disitulah nanti para resepsionis akan menerima tamu, melayani, dan juga memberikan segala informasi atau kebutuhan. Okay, we can start. The next material is basic expression for serving hotel guests. Ada apa aja sih? Yang pertama, basicnya itu greeting atau sapaan. Seperti good morning sir, good morning ma'am, good afternoon, and or good evening madam, like that. Or you can say like this, the gesture, welcome to Kempinski Hotel, like that. The second point is offering help atau menawarkan bantuan. How may I help you, ma'am? How may I help you, sir? Or would you like to check in? Would you like to check out? The third point is asking information atau menanyakan sebuah informasi. May I have your name, please? May I have your ID card, please? Do you have a reservation? Like that. And the last point is closing atau penutup gitu. Thank you for staying with us gitu, with the polite, with the friendly. Have a nice day and don't forget to come again with in our hotel, like that. Okay, before we continue our material, I have 4 pictures. You can raise your hand and answer the name of the picture. Okay, the first picture is what is this? Yeah, good. This is the receptionist. Okay. The next picture is, what is this? Yeah, good. You know first, this is the ballroom of hotel. Ballroom semacam ruangan yang besar yang digunakan oleh para tamu untuk berbagai acara tertentu. Ya, dan itu disebutnya ballroom. Okay, and what is this? Yeah, no, this is not a receptionist. Ini adalah sebuah gambar dari pekerjaan customer service. Gitu. Customer service ada nggak di hotel gitu? Customer service itu berbeda ya dengan resepsionis. Mereka memiliki perannya masing-masing. Okay, and the last picture is, what is this? Please don't focus with the person. Focus with the things that you see in this picture. Yeah, front desk. Okay, big applause for you guys. Thank you. And after that, I will give you the example interaction, the receptionist and the guest dialogue. You can see in this screen, receptionist. Good afternoon. Welcome to Sky Castle Hotel. May I help you, ma'am? akan memberikan gestur seperti itu. Don't forget to smile, don't forget to adjust your tone or your intonation and like that. You must be polite, you must be friendly and patient. The guests will answer, good afternoon, I have a reservation. Baru di situ resepsionis akan menjawab gitu, can I help you? Di situ akan memberikan pertanyaan sebuah informasi, may I have your name please, seperti itu. Gitu. Jadi ketika Pak tamunya sudah memiliki reservation seperti yang tadi tamunya sudah jelaskan, disitulah resepsionis berperan untuk menanyakan informasi gitu. May I have your name please, ma'am? Di situ akan dicatat di data gitu. My name is Clara. Thank you, Miss Clara. Let me check your reservation. The receptionist will continue the dialogue like, yes, I found your reservation. You book a single room for one night. It is correct. Jadi sebelum itu resepsionis juga bertanggung jawab untuk memastikan kembali nih apakah sudah benar pesanannya atas nama Clara, Claranya nama panjangnya siapa, terus pesanannya untuk di ruangan mana, di kamar mana, dan lain sebagainya. Your room number is B51. Thank you. And the receptionist will continue give the information like checkout time is at 12 p.m. If you need any help, please contact the front desk. And close with the you're welcome, enjoy your stay, or anything. Okay, any question? Thank you. I will continue. Now, today, I will give you group assignment. Each group is asked to create a simple conversation between a receptionist and the guest. And the second is perform a role play for 2 until 3 minutes. And the deadline is today. I will give you some space and time. Jadi kalian akan mendapatkan tugas berkelompok untuk hari ini yang akan dikerjakan hari ini. Membuat simple conversation, resepsionis dan juga tamu. Dan juga kalian bisa menggunakan berbagai percakapannya seperti yang sudah dicontohkan tadi, atau kalian bisa memodifikasi seperti yang sudah diberikan di example interaction sebelumnya. Di dalam percakapan itu harus mengandung greeting, asking information, offering help, and closing. And of course, you and your friend demonstrate in front of the class. It sounds so fun. With attitude like friendly, polite, patient, confident. Okay, please pair up with your partner and work together. Alright, before we end our lesson today, let's review what we learned today. I will give you a question. You can raise your hand and answer. The first question is, what the role of the receptionist hotel? Okay, good answer. Thank you. And the second question is, what attitude is very important as a receptionist hotel? Okay, good. Thank you so much. Nah, jadi setelah kita review, ternyata semua udah pada paham ya. Dengan performance tadi juga itu udah memberikan saya gambaran kalau ternyata apa yang kita pelajari hari ini tuh bisa dimengerti gitu dan bisa dipraktikkan langsung. So today we learn about the first definition and role, receptionist, the vocabularies, and how to serve the guests, and etc. Thank you so much for your attention. I'm very, very proud of you guys, and I'm so happy today. All of you understand what we learned, and you guys give me the best performance, and I'm super happy and proud of you. Okay, I have excitement. I will inform you later. Thank you so much for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.